So these birds are taking their breakfast. Yeah, breakfast people. I know you might be surprised on why I'm putting their food on the back. Yes, their feeder are not enough. So, but we always keep it clean. So no infection there. Anytime the box is dirty, I usually change the bag. So look how healthy this birds are. They are eating from the flat bag. Yes. Look at one beautiful cock, colored cock. Yeah, they are taking their breakfast. Okay. So let me just update you from our farm today. Okay. See you.